so I'm guessing that gives you an idea of what this video is about. Since we all know winter is here, I was supposed to make this video when winter was still coming, but of course I'm late and I was occupied. I've been pushing this video since October, finally doing it. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Varsha. I make random skincare videos here and there, and then I do random. So we all know, like, I don't know if you can experience this, but we have all been experiencing the most driest skin. My skin is horrible. The elbow is at its worst. My elbow's like never been this dark in this weather. Look at this. Is there any difference between the color of this and my hair? No, it's the same color. So I'm here to tell you, not tell you, to remind you to moisturize your face and your skin, and to remind you to use different moisturizers for both of them, because please don't put the face moisturizer on your body or the body moisturizer on your face. I mean, you can put the face one on the body, but I think you know what I mean. So for my face, as always, I have Nivea. Okay, Nivea Light Moisturizer. I use this for my face. It says fresh and soft skin, fast absorbing formula. Anyways, I've been using this for years. Stand by this. It's my go-to. I get super dry skin in the winter just like everybody else, but my skin is normal and little oily. It's not like oily skin, but my face is like borderline oily, but it's mostly normal mixed skin like everybody else. So it's like the worst. You can see I've literally not applied anything to my face, so I probably will now on camera. Yeah, and I lift cream with my knuckle. Okay, it's just a habit because I usually have nails and I don't like messing it up. If you're someone who likes to warm their cream up, good for you, because nobody likes cold cream on their face. Okay, since we're done with the face, then for skin, you can see I have an array of things. This is like unopened. It's waiting for me to like open it in the winter. There's one here, there's one more here, there's one here, and literally in my house you will find at least 2 moisturizer bottles in every room, because all of us have the habit of moisturizing at least like once in a day. It is a must. We've all just had the practice of doing it, but I do try to do it twice a day. It's usually, my skin feels better in a week if I at least moisturize my skin 2-3 times in the night. But again, it's your choice. If you're free, if you have the energy, do it. But all I will say is do make time. It's important, because again, like I said, it's the winter. Our skin is extremely dry. It's asking for moisturization, and water is hard to drink in the winter. I totally get it, but all I can say is like try adding cucumber to it, or like if you like fruity kind of water. It's strawberry season. Go get some strawberry. I've heard people put kiwi in water, but I don't know. I haven't done that much because I don't know. I just like eating kiwi just as is. So you can do all those flavored waters. If it helps you drink more water, you do it. For winter, I usually end up buying this, the cocoa butter. Sorry. End up buying the cocoa glow with pure cocoa and shea butter, shea butter, however you would like to say it. It says it's non-greasy, but we all know that's a lie. It is greasy. Everything you hold will like leave an oily stain on it. You can't help it, but it's important. So I choose this, but since I'd already opened this and this is like an old bottle that has little, otherwise I'm always on this. It says Deep Restore with pure oat extract, long lasting. I don't care, but yes, these are the things I use. This is like thick. They mean it. I usually use this during the day or the night. Like, I don't use both the times. If I use this in the morning, it's this in the night. I usually do prefer this in the night because it's the night and like it's easier to manage this since it's like a thicker formula. This during the day, or like I said, however, I switch between them. And make sure you go for moisturizers which have almost no aroma, go for like plain smelling ones. Like this one does have like a little, but it says it's, I don't know guys, it doesn't have much. But this one, I believe it's sort of natural-ish. I don't feel this is like a very artificial fragrance. Why do I keep saying flavor? Fragrance, because it's very mild. You will know, like, see, when you buy things like this, you know they've added extra fragrance, because I have smelled cherry Japanese blossom and it's not that strong. When it's basically, I'm saying it's okay to use these, but don't use it very often. I usually use this, like, see, I've like barely used it, even though I've had it for quite some time now. So it's usually used like when I go out and I'm like lazy to put on perfume, but to put on moisturizer, I just put on like a nice smelling moisturizer and I go out. That's few things. If you're still asking me what should I moisturize, especially in the winter, I will tell you. Give me a second. So few of the things that are important, it's because, see, if you like hyperpigment like me, look at this. If you're a person who hyperpigments like me, moisturizing daily helps like reduce it. But if you like have this much, it will take time, guys. You cannot help it. You have to wait patiently, unless. That's all, guys. Just moisturize. Don't forget, it is super important. I'm going to go lather some on myself right now, and it's usually ideally put on best just after you've had like a nice shower. Your skin is still like little moist. Like, again, always like don't rub your skin dry, pat yourself dry and then moisturize, because your skin's a little wet. It's easier to apply. You don't need that much moisturizer as well. It's super easy to apply and all of that. That's it. I hope you remember to moisturize. I hope this was a key thing that you remember now. Please don't forget, drink water. If you're going to still complain, don't just do it for like 2 days. You'll be like, no, my skin is still dry. No, do it for like a week and a half. You will see your skin getting better. Calm down, it will work. Fine. Also, if you feel like super irritated around like the midriff area, the skin area, don't itch, please. It will lead to stretch marks. Just, again, moisturize, or just buy, you know, those oils that you get, bio oil and all of that. They work, trust me. I've used them. It has helped me. That's all I will say. It has helped me use it. But I think there are alternatives. A lot of people just prefer putting coconut oil. Works wonders as well. Or just stick to the same moisturizer you're using for the rest of your body. It works too. Fine. Bye bye. See you next time.